To set up Face ID on iPhone 17, start by opening Settings, and right now scroll down for that option called Face ID and Passcode. Now you have to input your current passcode and select Use Face ID for iPhone Unlock. Now you will have to set up the Face ID by using that selfie camera that is hidden in the black bar in the dynamic island. You have to click to get started and now read all of those descriptions that pops over here. So in this case, I have to move my head slightly to complete the circle. As you can see, I have to make some correction on the right side because it doesn't actually detect. Now I have to move my face to the right side, and now it is finished. We can also set the Face ID with mask, but I'm gonna do this later, not now. And the Face ID is set up. So now you can actually use it for iPhone, for iTunes and App Store, for contactless payments and password autofill data.